Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the tailgate spoiler and side deflectors on Lexus NX. First we need to open the tailgate. It's not too hard to take off, but very easy to broken the clips. So the first thing we need to take off this middle plastic cover only by hand. If you cannot take off by hand, use the trim tools. 5 clip is holding, and then when we remove the plastic we need to take off 4 screw nuts, what is here, and 2 behind this rubber. And let's take off the rubber only by hand, easy to take off. If cannot take off, use the plastic trim tools. What we need, that is a 10mm ratchet. Try take off gently, we don't want to lose screw nuts. Okay, when we take off the screw nut, need unplug the brake lights and the screen heater, and then the critical moment is need to take off these 2 screws. What we still need a 10mm ratchet. Okay, when we're done with this, let's close the door. Okay, you hold this plastic and just hit it up. Okay, lose one side, hold this plastic and hit it up. Okay, and just remove. Nothing broken, all easy to done. Okay, and now we take off this plastic cover. We just pop out the top and this, and then sliding out, and voila. And repeat the other side as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.